welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be with you guys today. It's been a hot minute since I sat down and talked to you guys about something that I feel really passionately about and that I can share with you guys, because I know for me, whenever I was trying to get my hair really healthy and make it grow, I was watching a whole lot of YouTube videos. So I hope this helps you. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every Friday. If you're new here, hello. Make sure you give this video a big like if you end up enjoying it or you find it useful. So a couple days ago, I posted on my Instagram story asking you guys if you were interested in hair care routines, because I ended up growing my hair like more than 6 inches in the past year, which is absolutely crazy to me because I've worked so hard at this. So I'm so excited about it, and I asked you guys to send me questions or if you guys would be interested in that. A lot of you guys were, and a lot of you guys were asking me questions, asking like, how do you do that? I need help, postpartum, all this stuff. So I'm excited to address all of that today. I'm going to try to help you guys as much as I possibly can. Just as a disclaimer, I am in no way, shape, or form a hair care professional. I am not a hairstylist. I am not a professional at hair. I just genuinely enjoy it. I've researched it a lot, and it is something I really like to talk about and learn about, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna quit rambling on and let's get right into it. And another little disclaimer is that I wanted to put my real and raw self out there today. If you guys know me, if you know my channel, you guys know that I am not really a fan of wearing makeup. I am my most comfortable self in casual, comfy clothes and no makeup, and my hair just really not done. But that's not to say I don't like doing my hair and makeup, but for this video, you know, we're all girls here, at least I think. My boyfriend might watch, I don't really know. Anyway, I have my little journal, my handy dandy journal that I'm going to be referencing because I want to make sure I hit all of my points and all the questions. So let's go. Alright, so before I actually get into my hair care tips, you guys are probably like, okay, well, why should I trust you? What is your story? So I'm going to be inserting a little before clip right here. Yes, that is my hair before I cut it, did anything with it. So a little background about my hair: really thin, really short, and I honestly didn't take that good care of it. And I had tape-in extensions at one point in time, and I don't want to freak any of you girls out if you have tape-in extensions, because that's not what I'm here to do. But for me, my experience with tape-in extensions isn't good. Go up here to the cards. I'm going to put my video that I made about my traumatic tape-in extension experience. So check that out if you guys are interested. But for me, I was pretty much just dumb about it. I had really thin hair to begin with before I got the tape-ins, and I got these tape-in extensions that were like almost like down to my butt. And you guys probably could guess it, my hair could not stand it. They couldn't hold the extensions, and I ended up taking them out like 4 weeks after I got my extensions, which another dumb idea because I spent so much money to get the extensions and then to get them put in. So I got them taken out and I realized what I had done. So I went and cut my hair this short. These are the photos of my hair like fresh cut. At this point in time, I just really wanted a fresh start. I just wanted to start over with my hair. I started researching like how I can grow my hair quickly, how I can make it healthy super quick as well. So I started doing that, got the fresh cut, and now like a year and some later, my hair is right here now. So I'll do a little turnaround for you guys so you can see my hair fully. Alright, so this is my hair right now. I would definitely say that my hair has grown back pretty thick, which I was kind of shocked about because I didn't really realize that my hair could really grow back that thick whenever I got it chopped to my shoulders. So my hair has literally grown like, I want to say like this much, like in a whole year. Of course, like I need to go get a haircut and get a little trim because I do have some dead ends right now, but the growth is insane. Alright, another thing that I do want to mention is that I'm not going to be promoting any like direct sales companies, no MLMs, because I didn't use any of that whenever I was on my hair care journey, I guess. So I'm not going to be promoting that. Like if you sell it, that's great, good for you, but I'm just not that type of gal. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys, you can probably see in the background, I have products, my supplements, and everything I've really used to get my hair long and healthy, and then a couple tips that I have for you guys as well. So first things first, this might sound like duh Callie, like duh we need to take care of our hair, but I'm just going to tell you, take care of your hair. It's like the first thing people see when they meet you. Take good care of your hair. Be gentle with it. Don't yank it. Like, I know when people brush their hair, like they'll be like yanking, but like honestly, just like take it gently. That's the first thing I want to tell you guys. Just take care of your hair and be gentle. And then my next tip is kind of what I just said, but brush your hair lightly. And another hot tip that I have learned myself is do not brush your hair when it's wet, because that's when it's at the most fragile state. And if you are trying to get through your hair when it's wet, you are just ultimately breaking your hair off. So don't do that. If you guys have to, then I recommend getting this little wide tooth comb. That can really help if you like have to blow dry your hair. But try to get into the routine and plan out your hair washing so you do not have to brush it when it's wet. That was huge for me. Okay, next thing is to only wash your hair minimally. So I know a lot of people are gonna be like, no, like I have to wash my hair. This is a thing. I used to wash my hair every single day because I played sports in high school and I was very active. I would get sweaty. I didn't know better, and I would wash my hair every single day. So my hair was used to that. But I only wash my hair twice a week. So I was actually washing my hair like once a week for a while, and I kind of trained my hair to only rely on the hair wash once a week. But since it is my job now, I do have to get ready for photo shoots. I do need to wash my hair twice a week. The only thing I can really say is start off slow. It's obviously, you're not going to go from washing your hair every day to washing your hair like once or twice a week. That would just be crazy and your hair would be oily and stuff. So start off like doing it every other day, and then do it like every 2 days, and then your hair will eventually become trained to it. Oh, this tip is so controversial just because we want to look good, like we want to do our hair, but using heat to your hair is just damaging it. I know I have to use heat on my hair like a couple times a week. Again, I only try to use heat on my hair twice a week, just like my washing schedule, twice a week. Before I like had to get ready for things, I used to go like a week and a half without heat, which that was amazing. So if you guys can like cut the heat, that would be great. Like I said, just like hair washing, take it every other day, every 2 days. Just try to make it minimal because you are just destroying your hair. Okay, getting into a couple of my favorite products that I use. So hair masks are another great tip. So I'll show you guys what hair mask I currently use in the shower. And then another thing is coconut oil. It will be your best friend, and I can't believe that stuff is found at a general grocery store and it's so cheap because it does wonders. My hair loves coconut oil. Okay, so I use a couple different things. So this is the coconut oil that I use. It can be found at your nearest grocery store. And then I do also use this deep repair hair mask in the shower, and this I typically use every other wash in replacement of a conditioner. So I use this, and I think I just got this at Walmart or Target as well. And then I also use this argan oil of Morocco. This can be found again at a grocery store. And then same thing with this. This is just coconut milk, and I use this after I get out of the shower on my ends. And then this I kind of just use, it just varies whenever I use this. Typically when my hair is wet, if I need a little bit more oil in my hair, if it's really dry, I'll use this too. But again, I use a lot of coconut oil, so that typically trumps all of this stuff. But I wanted to quickly tell you guys what I typically do with coconut oil. I'll do like a gradual hair mask. So what that means is if I notice that my hair is pretty dry in between washes, I'll just go in with some coconut oil, put it on my ends, and my hair soaks that up so well. I'm telling you guys, it's a blessing. And then if I'm like just about to shower that day, then I'll like put coconut oil all over my hair and then put my hair up in a bun and then wash that out like 4 hours later. Okay, a couple other products I use. So if you do have to use heat to your hair, I just use this heat protectant spray. by Tresemme. Really good. I like it a lot. And then I'm not like 100% sold on like a certain shampoo and conditioner. I kind of alternate between a couple because I don't have that one like holy grail. So I picked these up. These are the Maui Moistures that you can find at Walmart. I mean, I like these. It's not like I love them, like I love coconut oil, but these are good. That's what I'm currently using. And then a couple more tips if you guys are like kind of struggling with, you know, limiting heat to your hair. I use a couple different things for my hair just to like spice things up in my hair for like hair accessories and stuff. So I got these cute little hair ties on Amazon. They come in a lot of different colors. I'll link them below, but it's just so easy. Sometimes, like, I know when I was on vacation, I would just throw these in my hair, no heat to my hair, go to the beach, whatever, and it's still cute. And then if you're not already using scrunchies, girl, definitely get on it because these are the least damaging hair ties ever, in my opinion. Okay, moving right along, I'm going to be getting into the supplements that I'm currently using that I really feel like has contributed hugely to the growth of my hair. Okay, first things first are these collagen peptides. So one, I do want to take a second and say thank you to Collagen for sponsoring this video. I am so excited about it because I use collagen every single day, and when they sent me these peptides, I was so excited, and I hope you guys are too. But I'm going to explain a little bit of what collagen peptides can do for you in your everyday life. So it comes in this big tub, and then they also have these cute little ones. So what I love about collagen for her is that it is totally paleo, which means it's like soy free, dairy free, grain free, and it also is non-GMO, which is huge. And another thing, I know a lot of people will be all about this, but it is also gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's grass-fed. So I have never seen collagen peptides this good, to be completely honest. There's no scent to it at all, and it just kind of looks like this. It just looks like your typical protein powder. But I do want to read you guys a little bit about the back because a lot of people don't understand how collagen could really play a huge impact in their daily life. So it says on the back, collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in our bodies, but once we enter adulthood, we naturally start producing lower levels of this essential protein year over year. This could be one of those frustrating issues that never seem to improve in a lot of women. For a woman, the older you get, the less collagen you're going to produce. So if you guys have seen my microneedling video, which is about, you know, kind of puncturing with it sounds so bad, but it like punctures your skin to produce that new skin in your face, and that's what I'm using like with my acne scars and everything. And that's another thing that is great for collagen. But anyway, there are a lot of different uses that you could use the collagen peptides with in your everyday life. So typically what I would do, I would put it either in coffee or a smoothie. You can also put it in hot water. The directions say to mix 1 scoop with 8 to 12 ounces of hot liquid or add to your favorite smoothie or recipe. Collagen peptides can clump in cold liquid, so just make sure before you put ice in that you should mix the collagen peptides before that. But I'm really impressed with this product, and I'm so grateful that they sent me these because I love collagen. I swear by collagen. So a couple other supplements that I also use are these women's multivitamin. These are the gummies. Also, I take these chewable vitamin C's, and these help with immune health. And then, like I told you guys, I love my collagen, and then I take these collagen pills as well. And then the last thing I wanted to touch on is haircuts and dyeing your hair. This is a really hard thing for people because I know a lot of people are like, you have to get your hair cut every 4 to 6 weeks whenever you're trying to get your hair healthy and grow. I don't do that. I get my hair cut every 5 to 6 months, and I find that is like the perfect amount to get my hair, get these like dead ends off, and then get that new hair growth. So that's what I do. It kind of just varies from person to person. And then with color treated hair, so obviously I get a little bit brighter blonde, and again I do that like every 6 months. I don't go the recommended time just because coloring your hair is really tough on your actual hair, so I try to limit that as much as I can. But I know I went like a whole year once without coloring my hair, hair, but my hair needs it because it is color treated. So just kind of do what works for you, but just kind of limit it. Don't go like every month because that's crazy. But I think that's going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You learned something. If you did, leave me a comment, or if you do something else that makes your hair really healthy and grow, please leave it down below because I love learning new tips and tricks. But give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every single Friday, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!